Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast for Wednesday, December the 18th, 7 days from Christmas. Let's jump to our news items for today. Wednesday the 18th, 10:30 a.m. we have crude inventories. Thursday and Friday. Thursday at 8:30 we have the Philly Fed, and on Friday we have 10 a.m. the core PCI and personal spending. Okay, so those are very important reports towards the end of the week. Let's jump to our daily chart here to begin our analysis. As we can see, another all-time high. Market continues to impress us with a relative strength up. That's the only way to describe it. I mean, volume has decreased just a bit. Obviously, we're still between contracts, but most of the movement is happening now on this March 20th contract. But here we are, finances in a clear consolidation between the all-time high and this level here. We'll see it more clearly here in our analysis and the rest of our charts. As we can see, into our longer-term chart, we're still remaining within this original channel here. Market bounced down here, found resistance, broke through it, tried to find resistance and support. It couldn't. It kind of bounced between it, but it finally breaks through, establishes the all-time high, and now it's finding support at this level here. Once again, we can see the support level comes to fruition on this time frame here. As you can see, there's our projections. We were projecting these price levels here. We hit this one on the nose here. Market is consolidating. There's your run, there's your top, there's your bottom. The market's consolidated between these two areas right here. This is where the market finds itself right here. We do have quite a bit of support. We have support at this level here at 31.92, and another lower support level at this price level here with this trend line is forming right now. These trend lines are technical trend lines based on objective analysis. These are not just ones that we just draw just to draw. We don't draw things on this chart just to draw them. Everything's subjective. Everything's based on technical analysis and price action. Here's our analysis chart here. Here we see the clear compression. So we are definitely compressing between two areas. We find the market compressing between this level right down here and this level here. So what you have here is a very, very clear compression in the market. Look where the market is testing right now. The market is testing this resistance area right now. Here it is. Here's the test. Test is coming. Is the market going to hold? So what do we have here? We have this trend line to the downside. We have this trend line to the upside. We have the intraday low, and above us we have the obvious high. So what's the game plan for today? Continue to short as long as the market keeps hitting this area, and you can go long as long as the market keeps doing this area. The best way to do this is to try to go to the long side, since the original run came from the bottom, So we're coming from the bottom to the top, clear support area down here. Market is heading downwards, but it's basically a sideways market. This is basically a sideways market. If you can see, this is basically the area here. We have two areas, two support areas. The intraday low, which we just gone through very cleanly, and this area down here. So there's your support, your all-time high is your resistance, and we have a trend line coming up this way. So there's a compression. So if you're going to do anything within this area, I would be buying towards this area. Of course, a break through this area, then of course the test would be towards the upside. Market breaks through here, then we're expecting much more movement to the downside, potentially way down to here. There's the original level of 31.83. So let's look at it here on our trade chart just to make sure we get this. So there's our trend lines. There's our original trend line. Here's our next one coming from way back here. This way, heading this way towards our price action right here. And there's our compression, clear compression of price. Here is our support level here that we had identified before. That's our true support level. The intraday low is not necessarily, this one here is our intraday low. It's not necessarily an area anymore, simply because we have penetrated several times throughout our sessions the last several days. So that's what we're expecting today. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.